welcome to the Beautiful Heart Show. My name is Dr. Anacleto B. Melendez, the founder of the Beautiful Heart Foundation. Today I'm very lucky to have new friends here. Of course, my dear friend, the host of the WBL Let's Talk on the Air, Mrs. Juvie de Guzman. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Miss Juvie de Guzman, and of course, welcome to this very beautiful heart show.
And you brought some friends, Juvie?
Yeah, I brought some friends here. Mr. Victor Fernando from Bukawi, Bulacan, and of course, Ricardo Angeles from Tayuman, Manila.
I understand, Juvie, you came from a forum about the Filipino language. So magsalita tayo ng sariling wika.
Yes, oo. Galing po kami sa Komisyon ng Wikang Filipino. Ito isang kapihan kung saan ay regular po kami nandiyan dyan. At lagi po kami invited to cover the Filipino work. Dialect, of course. Yung aming pambansang salita. Sabi nga, pambansang wika.